In today's video, I'll teach you how to unblock someone on Facebook. So first of all, open the Facebook application. You can see over here, Facebook has been opened. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option settings and privacy. Tap on the option settings that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the settings. What you have to do is scroll down. Under the section for audience and visibility at second last, you'll be able to find this option for blocking. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the block list over here. If you want to unblock someone, tap on the unblock option right next to their profile. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Basically, they'll be able to see you or contact you if you unblock them. So tap on this option unblock that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here that person will be unblocked. Keep in mind you'll not be able to block that person again within 48 hours. So like this you'll be able to do it. So that is how you unblock someone on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.